53 Tower.
53 plus 1, provision 226 left, once emergency traffic has come to a stop, wherever that may be.
53, roger, I'll call you.
Go ahead.
Ops 1 Tower.
All received, left side port, smoking, undercarriage.
Ops 1, roger.
With his success, close that time 15:46.
Roger, 26 left, close time 1546. Fire through, enter runway 26 left via Foxtrot Romeo.
53 plus 1, entering 26 threshold.
Virgin 43, okay, can you see any smoke fire on the right side?
Virgin 43 Echo, at the moment you're right into sun. I can't see anything from here, but if you contact the fire service 121.6, they're on team.
It's on tilt, the engine's maybe 2 metres above the